Hey guys, I am here at the homestead. I just came down here to get my microphones out of the car because they were in here. As you can see behind me, I brought out a bunch of stuff today and I'm about to show you why. We have some very exciting news. I cannot wait to bring you guys along for all of this. It's very exciting. Let me recap really quick. So you know that we purchased this property in February of this year, 2025, and we had not yet been able to get the water turned on because there was a $2,000 membership fee. So last week we paid the membership fee finally, and so we got the water turned on and we got our internet turned on out here. Okay. So then this week we have some even more exciting news because of all of the issues that we've run into in the property, and because I had that job interview out here that I was hoping to get. We went ahead and we made the decision to establish temporary living arrangements so that we can be living here on site while working on the property. So we looked at tiny homes, we looked at single wide mobile homes, we looked at sheds converted into cabins, we looked at log cabins, we looked at a lot of options. There were a lot of obstacles involved in all of that. So we finally made a decision this past weekend and made the jump. So that is happening today. Today is Thursday. What day is this? Thursday, November 6th. Okay. So, something very exciting is happening in just a moment, and I'm going to show that to you guys. But also, we had our septic pumped out today. So, it was good because we haven't used the septic at all. But it was good to get that done and know that we're not going to have any issues there. So, that was a relief to get that done. Yeah, it was in September I totaled my truck. God worked that into a big blessing, because if I had not totaled my truck, we wouldn't be here right now. Um, the settlement that I got for the truck, this car that I bought is a little bit older. It's 4 years older than my truck was. It's got a whole lot more miles on it than my truck did. And so, anyway, what I'm trying to say is I opted for an older vehicle so that I could have enough money left over to go ahead and knock out that membership fee for the water. So that is what we did. That's why we were able to get the water turned on. And then everything else just kind of started falling into place from there. Now, here's the super exciting part. So, our temporary living arrangement is arriving today, but this morning I also got the offer for the job that I was waiting to hear back on. So, um, I got the job. So now, um, I think I'm going to talk to them tonight to find out when they're wanting me to start and everything. So I will keep you guys updated on that. But after months of feeling like we were going nowhere fast, we weren't making any progress whatsoever on anything really. Um, we just felt like we were running circles around ourselves and not getting to see each other because we just had so much that we were trying to do to keep ourselves afloat so that we could start renovations over here. So, and then with us living 90 minutes apart from each other, it was just very, very difficult. So it's been a very rough year, but what the enemy meant for evil, God certainly worked for good, right? So I'm super excited. All of these months of feeling stagnant and like nothing was happening, all of a sudden now tons of things are going to be happening, and I want to document all of it because I want to share the journey with all of you that have been following us loyally through this process, but also for anyone that might join us in the future as we actually start making progress on this place. I want people to be able to look back and see how it started and where we came from, and also to have realistic expectations and things to maybe be aware of before you buy a property, because um, so many noises out here that I am not familiar with. It's different than being in a neighborhood. I keep hearing noises and I'm like, what was that? Now I feel like Art, when he used to come to my house, because I live so close to the Tulsa International Airport. The fly zone is right over my house, and every time he would come over, he'd be like, what was that? And I would just laugh at him and I'd be like, I don't even hear those planes. Now I do, because he pointed them out to me. But I'd lived there all my life, so I never really paid attention. The planes were just normal background noise. But ever since Art came into my life in 2021, the longer I've been there since then, the more those planes. And there's a train track right outside of my neighborhood, and they always go through at like 1 and 2 o'clock in the morning, and it's so loud. But he made me very aware of the noises around me that I had learned to tune out, and now I can't tune them out anymore. So anyway, that's a whole nother subject. But I am upstairs prepping some dinner really quick before our new home arrives. So as soon as it is here, I will give you guys a tour. I can't wait to show you. I'm very, very excited about it. And let me know, post your guesses down below if you think you know what we went with. I'm so excited to retire the pee bucket. I'm so excited to be able to have actual plumbing out here. Maybe not perfect plumbing, but running water and stuff. It'll be so nice. Look, I even cut myself a minute ago and I don't have any way to wash my hands. So like I guess I do. Art just hasn't hooked up water to the house yet. I guess I could go look for, I think there's a spigot somewhere. But anyway, um I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited to see what's happening, because over these next few weeks we are really going to be doing all kinds of things that I can't wait to share with you. So I hope you will stick around and continue following this journey, because I really enjoy sharing it with all of you. So anyway, that's it. Remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources. And we'll see you next time. Love you guys.